Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. I'm not going to be doing an install because I have a giveaway, an announcement, but I am going to go ahead and showcase you guys my new leather boot. This is real Italian leather. I got this on eBay. It comes from the UK, and it comes in different colors if you want it. I got it obviously blue to match my shift knob. So to install this is very easy. If you guys haven't checked out the video when I installed this, or the wireless charger, or here the actual knob when I replaced it, please go ahead and check that out. It'll make it much easier. You just gotta go ahead and remove the panel and then take off this boot. And the cool thing about this, which I haven't seen other people do it, is that this does come with the plastic trim that comes on the stock OEM one like this. What they do is that they actually glue it with some very high grade glue instead of staples like the OEM one does, but it comes with this plastic insert, so that way it's just an easy swap. You take off the old one, put on the new one, and then you snap it back on. So that's why I didn't want to go ahead and show you the install, because I've done various videos on how to access this. So do please check that out to make it easier, and you can go ahead and swap that out very easy. Gets held on by a zip tie here. They don't provide a zip tie, but if you can find yourself some very thin zip ties, just go ahead and you'll tie it to whatever knob you have it on, and that is it. So without further ado, I am gonna do a giveaway of this same exact leather boot. The only difference is, the reason I'm giving it away is because the manufacturer at the first time, they send me it without this trim here. So what I'm gonna probably do is I'm gonna remove this from my OEM, and I'm gonna add it to that original boot they sent, which looks like this. So they sent me this originally, and I did a claim, and then went ahead and they sent me a full second set. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a giveaway of this Italian leather with blue stitching, along with some my old Aero Spec Racing badges, which is translucent blue. This is gonna be a combo, so whoever the winner is gonna be getting the Aero Spec blue badges front and back, along with the Italian leather with blue stitching. So all you gotta do is go ahead and drop a comment below, like this video, and just drop a comment just stating what you like best about my video. I've done this before, but for newcomers and new new subscribers, what I usually normally ask is that you just hit a like on that video, drop a comment of what you like best about my car and what you hate mostly about my car. You don't gotta explain why, just go ahead and drop it, and I will randomly pick the winner on my next video and showcase it, and I'll have it shipped out to you as soon as possible. I'll send it out at free of charge. Once again, this is what's at stake here. You get your Aero Spec badges. All you have to do is find yourself some new 3M tape, and on here's the boot. If I'm successfully am able to put the plastic trim on here, I'll send it out with that plastic trim. If not, then you're gonna have to go ahead and do the transfer over yourself, which is this right here. So removing the staples and transferring this over here, but we'll see. I'm hoping that I can do this, very good. Just take off the staples and put this frame on here perfectly fine, and add staples again and see how that comes out. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Once again, guys, this is a giveaway. Hope you enjoyed the video. I will also put the link of this boot here on where you can buy it, and definitely jump in on this giveaway. I haven't done one in a long time, so this is my 10K subs gift to the community. So definitely check out this video, hit a like, drop a comment of what you like best about my car and what you hate most about my car, and we'll take it from there. I'll pick the winner. So thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, boost the whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day. Like, share, and subscribe as always, and until next time, I'm out.